angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love to lead me here. Ever this day, be at my side, the light and guard, truth and life.
Good morning, class! Good morning, teachers! Okay, how are you today? We're fine! I am glad that you're all fine. Now, let us boost our day with an energizer. All you do is to copy what's on the video. Okay, again, good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Are you all energized? Yes. Okay. Before you take your seat, can you please pick up those pieces of brush and paper below your desk? Miss Radha, is there any absences for today? There is no absence in our class today, ma'am. Thank you. I'll take note of that. Now, let us have a review. Last time we discussed about the impact. Can someone define what is impact, Miss Radha? Impact is enhanced instructional management by parents, community, and teachers. A collaborative effort to support student learning goals. Very good. I guess you all understand our past lesson. Now let us proceed to the classroom rules. Can everyone please read the classroom rules?
Listen carefully. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Show kindness and respect to everyone. Participate in the class and work valiantly.
Very good. Did you understand our classroom rules?
Yes!
Okay. Now I prepare an activity. Are you all ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's start. Can everyone please read the mechanics of our activity?
Solve each math problem to get a number. Use the number in the letter code to find the matching letter. Combine all letters to decode the secret words.
Okay, let us now start. So here is the guides to decode the problems that we will be presented. For the problem 1, who can decode? Yes, Miss Radha.
The answer is open po, ma'am.
Is it open? Yes, very good. It is open. For the problem 2, who can define? Who can decode? Yes, Miss.
The answer po is high school.
Is it high school? Very good, Miss Princess. For the problem 3, Miss Talagtag.
The answer po is secondary.
Is it secondary? Yes, it is secondary. For the 4th problem, Miss Reyes.
Distance.
Is it distance? Yes, it is distance. For the last activity, for the last problem. Yes, Miss Radha.
The answer is learner po, ma'am.
Is it learner? Very good. Is it learner? Now, I have a question. What did you observe from our activity? What did you observe from our activity? Yes, Miss Princess.
I think it is all related to our new lesson for today.
Yes, that's right. It is connected to our new topic for today. So our topic for today is, everyone please read.
Open high school program.
Very good. Now,
lang po is yung ginagawa po sa inside the schools.
Yes, Mr. Manggiat, I think you have an answer.
I think Open High School program is those programs that support okay. I think that Open High School program are those programs that support an alternative way of learning for students.
Very good. So, an open high school program or the OHSP is an alternative mode of secondary education that uses distance learning. It caters to high school students who are unable to attend regular classes due to physical, economic, and geographical limitation, meaning that an open high school program, it is a special way of studying high school students that cannot attend in a regular class daily. So instead of going to school, they are the students that can learn in through distance learning. So meaning they can study at home, they can study at where they work, or even it can be also modular, hybrid, and online classes. This is designed to those students who is not have a physical, economic, and geographical difficulties, such as if they are living far, they came from remote areas, and they need to work, and they are having mental health issues. So this program is implemented under the DEP and Order number 46 series of 2006. This guidelines on the open high school programs. This also support the education for all, and the pivotal law that is the RA 10 by 23 that promotes flexible learning opinions. So for the goals of open high school program, everybody please read.
To retain potential dropouts by providing a more flexible mode of study. To encourage out-of-school youth, especially ages 12 to 16, to return to high school. To support the education for all modes, 100% participation, zero dropout, as set by DepEd. To increase secondary education completion rates through a distance education model.
Okay, thank you everyone. So for the goals of this program, this keep our students from dropping out. Meaning this program gives us a more flexible time to study. So they don't have to leave school because of their personal matters or their personal lack of time. Next is they help out of school youth to return school. They encourages young people, especially those ages 16 and 12 to 16. So those 12 to 16, there are the students who stop going to school, and with the help of this, they will come back and continue their education. Next is this is supporting a education for all. So this program helps our country, because we all know that our country is indeed not totally focused in education, but also but in work. So this helps students to return to school with zero dropouts. And last, it increases the number of students who finish high school. Since flexible learning is easier for students with challenges, and more learners can graduate through alternative systems. So in short, this program is giving students like a second chance to go to school and to be more flexible. They offer also flexible schedules, and they can continue or finish discussed by Miss Grace. Okay, and now we're going to discuss the advantages of Open High School program. So glad you will understand the Open High School program and its goals.
Yes!
Okay, and now we're going to proceed to its advantages. Everybody, please read the first bullet.
Flexible schedule. Learn anytime, anywhere.
Okay, so in an Open High School program, students can study anytime and anywhere, allowing them to continue their education outside in a regular classroom. So, this flexibility make education more accessible for its students, and it also helps students to manage their time effectively. Okay, for the second bullet, please everybody read.
Idea for working students and those with special education.
Okay, so in an Open High School program, it accommodates students who have jobs, family obligations, and other special circumstances. So it also allows learning to continue their daily life without disrupting it. And it also helps the students, for example, working students, to continue their education. And for the last bullet,
Lower cost, transportation, and daily expenses.
okay, so in an Open High School program, it reduces the expenses in transportation and other daily school-related costs. It makes secondary education more affordable for the students and their families, especially for those families who struggle in financial support. Do you understand the advantages of an Open High School?
Yes!
Okay, again, so who can enumerate the three advantages of Open High School? Yes, Elisha.
The three advantages of OSHP are first, flexible schedules, ideal for working students and those with special situations, lower costs or transportation and daily expenses, help reduce dropouts, and lastly, encourages self-discipline and responsibility.
Okay, very good. And now let's proceed to the disadvantages of Open High School program. Everybody, please read the first bullet.
Limited face-to-face teacher and peer interaction.
Okay, thank you. So, in an Open High School program, it limits or reduces the interaction with the teacher and the students. So, when they limit the interaction, students may miss the guidance and its peer support. Okay, for the second bullet.
Some learners may struggle with self-studying.
Okay, so some learners struggle in individual studying or in their lesson because some students need a direct guidance or support from their teachers. Okay, for the last bullet.
Harder for teachers to monitor progress.
Okay, so tracking a student progress is challenging in a distance learning setup. So the teacher needs extensive support to track a student's progress effectively. Okay, so lastly, you understand the disadvantages of Open High School program?
Yes!
Okay, so who can enumerate the disadvantages of Open High School program? Okay, Miss Elijah, the disadvantages.
The disadvantages of Open High School program are limited face-to-face interaction. Some learners may struggle with self-studying and harder for teachers to monitor.
Okay, and now let's proceed to our group activity. Everybody, please read.
The class will be grouped into two groups. They will create a slogan or poster about Open High School program showing its importance.
Okay, so this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. I will give you 5 minutes to complete your task. So you may now all start. Okay, your time is up. Group 1, can you please present your work here? Okay, congratulations class. You've done a great presentation in front. So please everybody stand up and give yourself a Dora clap. Do you know what is Dora
reduce the drugs at school.
Okay, very good. Let's give Eliza 5 claps. Okay, for the second question. How does Open High School program support the goals of education for all or EPA and the K-12 law? Yes, Mary Joy.
Which aim to provide quality education to Filipino learners ko.
Okay, very good. Let's give Mary Joy 5 claps. Okay, for the third question. What are the key advantages and disadvantages of Open High School program? Okay, yes, Melody.
Flexible schedule, learn anytime, anywhere, and ideal for working students and those with special education, lower cost and educational expenses. So for disadvantage, limited face-to-face teacher and peer interaction. Some learners may struggle with self-studying, harder for teachers to monitor and track.
Okay, very good. Let's give Melody 5 claps. Okay. And for our last question, how can the Open High School program or OHSP help improve a learner's future opportunities and life goals? Okay, so how can help improve a learner's future? Okay, Mary Joy.
It offers flexible learning options to ensure that no student is left behind po.
Yes, very good. Let's give Mary Joy a very good clap. You know what is very good clap?
No!
Okay, very good clap goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, stand up. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So, class, please close all your notes and get your pens. Okay, class, please exchange papers. Okay, who got the perfect score? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it seems like we really understand our lesson for today. So please get your notebook and copy your assignments. So are you done copying your assignment?
Yes!
Okay, please stand up. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.